Okay, so this is just an introductory video to Canvas so that you have an idea. So what you guys are looking at now is what's called a student view. I'm going to switch out of the student view here in a moment, but for all of you who are new to Canvas, I wanted to give you just a quick introductory to Canvas. And this is using my Summer 1 KSPR course, okay? So you're going to notice that on your home page, when you go into your course, you should have a welcome video. Some of the professors have a welcome video. If you scroll down, you have several buttons that you can click on to give you a course overview, about your instructor, Q&A, course Q&A, which is a discussion page, and then you've got course modules. So you can either use these buttons to go to those specific pages, or if you're up here and you click on modules, you can go to the modules within the course. So I'm just going to click on modules. We're going to go to the different modules, and you're going to come into the course, and you're going to have several important things to go through. So one of them, I definitely want you guys to go over the course overview, learn a little bit about your instructor. What are the course resources, official policies? So if you ever get stuck and you think, okay, what's the policy? Make sure you come here, and so forth. And then there's a course Q&A. So throughout the course, if you have a particular question, one of your faculty members should be able to answer that question. So we've got Canvas tutorials. If you are not sure on how to use Canvas, you can go to your Canvas tutorials, basic introduction to Canvas, submitting assignments. I'll check that video link right there, and then how to do VoiceThread assignments. So I'm going to go back here to modules. All right, so here's your syllabi, and you'll notice that in some of your modules, it's going to have you complete all items, all right, which means I cannot jump down here to text and media until I've gone through all of these items. And that is purposeful in that we want you guys to go through the syllabus. So you would click on each content page, and I'm just going to go in here so you can see, here's my contact information, my email, my mission, and so forth. The bottom button here where it says next, you're going to go to next, and you're going to go through every single one of these pages until you get to the end. I'm going to click through so that you guys can just see. Here's the modules, here's the setup of each week, what's going to happen. So you'll notice this is summer, we only have 7 weeks, so there's only 7 modules. In the fall and spring, you're going to actually have 8 modules. And you're going to go through next. Course overview, here's how your grades are being based on, and so forth. So I'm going to click through this real quick. There's that. Here's your syllabus and grades. Here's what you need. And here's an introduction. You can do a video. So I've got several students who've posted videos in the summer, which is a great way for me to get to know you and also to get to see your faces, which is great. So I'm going to go back here to modules. All right, so if you scroll down, you're going to see here's module 1. All right, so it's not letting me click on the devotional or go through the devotional because it has a prerequisite, and that is the HSU course syllabus pages. So I have to go through the pages above in order to get to module 1. And you work your way through each of these modules. Just to give you an example of assignment, if I clicked on this assignment, here's the purpose of the assignment and what to do for the assignment. All right, sometimes I have you sometimes your professor will have you post a document. Other times they're going to have you post in a text entry. So make sure that where you're saving your work for your particular class, you know where that is. I'm going to go back here to modules. And you're going to work your way through each of these modules. Some of the professors are only going to open a module a week at a time, so just be aware of that. So one other thing that I want to show you is I'm going to leave the student view right now, so you're going to see something a little bit differently. Okay, so one of the ways that is very helpful for you to get notifications is if you go to your account. I'm going to go to my account, and you go to settings. All right, and you can choose over here how you want to be contacted. So you can put what email you want Canvas notifications to go to. I'm just going to tell you that everything that our professors do is going to go to your HSU email. So just please put that on your phone. You can also receive text messages as a way of contact. So you can add a contact method and add that in there. So I'm going to close that out. And then on the very top here, you've got notifications. All right, so when you select notifications, you can select how it is you want to be notified. So if you want to be notified due dates and you want to be notified on your cell phone, check that box right there. All right, so X is do not send, send a weekly summary, send a daily summary, notify me right away. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck that, and you can go through. My recommendation is to put due dates and announcements at least, even course content, because then you know when the course content is available. So hopefully that's a short overview. If you go here to dashboard, you're going to see a lot of my courses right now, but basically any course that you're enrolled in is going to show up, all right, on your to-do list. It's going to have a lot of to-do lists that you have to do. You can view the calendar and click on the calendar, and your calendar is also going to show you when things are due. So that's a brief overview. You can go here to inbox, and on the inbox you can create an email, and you can send it to all of your classmates, or you can send it just specifically to me. You can also search your inbox for unread, started, and so forth. So that's a good way to go. Again, anytime you go back, so you can go to your dashboard and look at your courses, or you can go to courses, and it's going to bring those same courses up on the left panel here. Big help in Canvas. If you click on this help button, you can get live support for faculty, for students, and Canvas is very good at responding. So if you get stuck, something's not working, please contact your Canvas person. There's a help desk for HSU, Writing Center, tutoring services, library, and so forth. So hopefully this has been helpful, just to give you a very brief overview of what Canvas looks like and how to get going in it.